Very good morning to everyone. As you all know, my name is Chahil, and currently we are solving LeetCode problems, and we are solving the problems related to the data structures. But this time, what we are going to do is that we are going to simply solve a problem that is related to string, and this is a very easy problem. And what we have to do in this code is that we have to just write a code of reversing a string. So we'll just proceed to the lead code problem set and we will solve it. So the problem statement is 344 and it's a very easy problem statement. So as we can see that we have to write a function that reverses a string. The input is given as an array of characters s. So we can see here the example one is hello, and what the output will be is that like it will be reversed from the first from the last, and then we will return the very new string. So the hello will give us the result OLLEH. So here it's a very easy problem statement, and what we have to do is that we have to just reverse the string. So here we can see there's a function named reverse string. So here what they have given us is that it's a vector and it's not an array. So in this code what we are going to do is that we are going to take full advantage of using a vector, because vector has a lot of inbuilt methods, and the inbuilt methods are gonna make our code very less in lines, and it's gonna be very easy to understand. So firstly, as we all know that whenever we are reversing, we will just take this initial position and its last position. So we will just take st, it means that start from the zeroth index, and what we'll do is that the end will be uh, the name of the vector here is s. So we will just use the inbuilt method. There's a method named size. What it does is that it returns the size of our given vector, and the end will be size minus 1, because we write minus 1 because of the indexing. So what we'll do is that uh, we are going to reverse from first to the last. So what we'll do is that while start is less than end, we're just going to write a swap method. The swap method is a method in linked list that swaps the element of the linked list. So in this swap, we are going to write, as we all know that our firstly what we will do is that we will write the name of our vector, and in bracket we will write what to swap. So as we all know that we are going to swap our start as and the end. So in first one we will write st, that is our start, and in second one we will just write end. So what it will do is that it's an inbuilt function, and what it will do is that it will swap values from the start to the very end. And what we'll do is that now we will push our start, and what we'll do is that using increment operator we will keep track of our start, and we will keep it moving ahead. And as we all know that we are reversing, so start will be always be going ahead, and the end will always be coming backside. So what we'll do is that it will internally keep the track after swapping, and it ensures that the middle is not lost. And what we'll do is that we'll just simply submit this, and we will look at the test cases. So okay, here we can see that we have passed both the test cases. They have been accepted, and they gave us desired results, and we'll just submit them. We'll see if they pass all the test cases or not. So here we can see that we have passed all the 477 test cases. We have a very good runtime. The beats is 100%. So today we saw how to reverse a string using a vector, and we saw that how we can use the inbuilt methods of vector to get its size and to swap it actually. And at the end what we do is that we swap them, and after that we internally update their values so that we don't lose the middle of our string. So that was all for today's video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.